Wait.
Everything come out all right?
Okay.
No.
Today on this lesson, we're going to learn how to make a sandwich. But before we learn how to make a sandwich, we're going to learn how to fold a blanket, because they're almost exactly the same. First, you want to lay out the blanket. Just put it right here. There we go. Okay, and then we get this half, and we throw it across, and then we get this half, and I'm done. Now you're ready to make a sandwich. First, you want to get the bread.
Huh?
On the stove. And you want to untie it. After you lay the bread out, then you want to go get the cheese.
Nice bread.
We're gonna need. So first, we're gonna use this cheese. We're gonna open it because that flaps. Okay, so now that we use all the cheese, because I messed up a little bit. Okay, next you want to get the bologna. So you go in the refrigerator. Get this bologna right here. You see it? It says bologna. And you want to open the bologna. Take the bologna out of the bag. Then there's two. Then you want to get this bologna right here. So it's going to be a little sticky.
What if I don't like bologna?
Shut up! I like it! So now we're going to put it on the bread.
I don't like bread.
You think I care? I don't care. Okay? Okay. Then I usually just like breaking these. Like that. Okay?
What if I don't like to break it?
Now,
Now what?
I'm trying to say it, okay? Okay.
Oh, okay.
Now we get this. You see it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Like this. And then you go over here. You go over here.
Over where?
Right here.
Over where?
You open this. And we grab this. We use this, okay? To put the mayonnaise on. Yeah. Then you put the knife down. Then so we get this knife, and as you see, I already opened it. So we stick the knife in there. Just get that mayonnaise.
I like mustard.
Just get that. Get this much.
I want more than that.
Get this much.
I don't want any.
So we put it right here.
You gotta slap it on there.
Slap it real hard.
Yeah. Harder.
Yeah.
Like that.
That's nice.
Mm-hmm.
Now we're gonna put this on here, like so. Okay?
That looks like a good sandwich.
Yep, it is. Okay? And I think that.
I don't get it. Disgusting.
Today in this lesson, we learn how to repair a car.
We're making a sandwich.